Hello lovely and wonderful family, welcome once again to my channel. Sara Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my all the new subscribers, God richly bless you. To my viewers too, God bless you for always supporting your girl. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own liquid soap. Yes, this video is a requested video, so please guys watch it very well and don't forget to subscribe. Liquid soap, you'll be needing our base, or you can call it Tezapon. If you can't call it base, you can also call it Tezapon. I will list all the ingredients at the end of this video, so please watch the video to the end to know all the ingredients I use in this production. After getting your base, you get your salt. The base I use 1.5 kg. The base I use 1.5 kg. Then I use my salt 1 kg. 1 kg of my salt. After mixing your Tezapon and your salt to become white, after getting the color, that whitish color, then you add in your water bit by bit, water bit by bit. Whilst you are adding, you are mixing it in one direction. Please don't change your hands. Don't change your hands. Do it in one direction as I am doing. Please guys, watch the video very well and follow the instructions and do it and bring me my testimony. Yes guys, for the water I use 1 bucket of margarine rubber. For me, I use 1 full bucket of margarine rubber, but someone also can use half of the margarine rubber. Someone will also use 3/4 of the margarine rubber, depending on what you want your liquid soap to be. For me, I don't want it to be more watery. The same thing that I don't want it to be more thick. So I use 1 full bucket of my margarine rubber. I'll add it bit by bit till it's completely done. Right now, I'm going to add in my foam booster. The foam booster comes in 2. We have the liquid and we have the powder. So right now, I'm going to add in the powder first. Yes, it also looks like rice, but it is not rice. Guys, please take note. It looks like rice, but it is not rice. This is the foam booster I'm adding to my production to make it more foamer. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share and comment. Please subscribe to Sara Skincare channel to learn more new recipes. Okay, I'm also going to add in my foam booster liquid. Yes, this one is the liquid. I've added in the powder, then I'll add in the liquid too. So I'm going to add in the liquid. Guys, if you have watched the video to this part and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel to be part of Sara family. After adding the booster liquid, then I'll add in my thickener. Yes, this is the thickening agent. I'll add in the thickener. The thickener also have powder and also liquid. I'll add both of them. Please guys, your guy is going for Guinness Book of Record attempt baking marathon, and I have a second channel. Yes guys, please subscribe to that channel. Okay, for your girl to be supported, subscribe to that channel. I'll paste the channel on my description box and also my comment section. Please follow your girl and learn more from baking. Yes, you can also subscribe to that channel. If you want to learn a skills on baking, you can also subscribe to that channel. Thank you for understanding your girl. Then you have to add in your preservative. Yes, add your preservative to this production, because you are going to keep this liquid soap for longer period, or better still, you are going to sell it out. Yes, so please remember to add in your preservative to keep it more safer than not adding your preservative to it, please. Then you stir it very, very well. Preservative will keep it a longer period, a little longer period for you. Yes, 6 months, 1 year is very, very good. And I'll add water to my color. If you want to add in color, we have a lot of colors over there. We have the green, we have the blue, we have the yellow, we have the red, we have the orange, we have a lot. So please, if you want to add color to your production, that is the liquid soap, you can add in color. Please add a little water to your color to mix it very well before you can add to your production. This is what I'm doing. So please follow the recipe and do it and bring me your testimony. I'm now going to add in the color to it. I love color green, so I'm going to add in the color green to it. Then I will stir it very, very well. Please make sure to stir it in one direction. When you stir it for it to be mixed, then you add in your perfume. You add in the perfume to it. This is the perfume. I'm going to add the perfume and I won't stir it again. Yes. I'll cover it for another day. Yes, that's the 24 hours. And look at how my liquid soap, the liquid soap is ready for packaging. So guys, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Be part of our family. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.